this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I'm back with some projects that I made using my Farm Fresh kit. So a lot of farm themed stuff, and then this kind of on the farm doodlebug card and envelope set. And it's weird how they come with these, like some of them have, okay, anyway. So let me show you what I made. So this is the kit. I did do a whole video where I showed the contents of the kit. It's from tailoredexpressions.com. So here's the first one. And so this card, so the card base is from Doodlebug. What I did was I used the plaid background stamp for the background. And then I just cut a circle, and I used the stencil die that comes with it, which is amazing. I absolutely love it. Did a really quick stenciling of the grass, and then just quickly kind of sponged some ink. I did a little mask right here, and yeah, I sponged the ink and colored this barn in with Copics. And this was all done with Distress inks. And then I used the cow in brown and some clouds that were from the Rainbow Tailored Expressions kit, because I had that one handy. And then the sentiment just says, "Hey there." And so that's the first card. And then here is the second card. So this card just uses some paper from LDRS Creative. It's their farm market, fresh market, farm market paper, I guess. But it's fabulous. So this is how the card folds out. And so all I did was just cover it, trim it down, put my little piggy on there, and then just sending you hugs and kisses. So that's that card. And I'll show you these little ones. And so this one just has a little cow, just says farm fresh, grown with love. That sentiment is actually from my La La Land May kit. And this one's on a wobble. No, it got stuck under there, so that's annoying, but so there's that. And then this little blue one is To the Coolest Chick. And that one's on a wobble. The wobbles come with the kit, so that's kind of fun. These cards and envelopes did not come with the kit. These are just ones that I had bought from the Not Too Shabby shop, and this is what I'm doing with them. And then here is Life is Better on the Farm. So I made, so here, for some reason, I guess I must have had a dirty Misty, so it made a mark right here, and so I covered it with a barn. So, you know, it was kind of plain anyway, so it needed something. Just Life is Better on the Farm, and it's got just the head of the horse, not like the Godfather. His body is hidden behind the fence. Okay, this one I did not use the Farm Fresh kit. I just had this one last card that I needed to use. So I kind of dug through all of my little Doodlebug ephemera. I found this cute one that with little kittens and the meow, and I don't know, just kind of went. So I thought it's cute. It kind of isn't really, I guess it could be farm themed. Aren't there kittens in the barns usually to eat the mice, so, or cats? So that's me combining a couple things, my Doodlebug my cards and envelope set that I really wanted to use, along with that Tailored Expressions kit. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane with a Heart.